Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to fix sound problem in Windows 11. So let's get started. So just go to search, just type in settings. Now open the settings app. Now go to system, then go to sound. Now scroll down a bit. And here you can see sound control panel. Just click on this. Here you will see these options. Now what you'll do is just select the speakers, right click on it and click on disable. Now once this is disabled, right click on it again and click on enable. Now once this is enabled, right click on it again and go to properties. Here go to levels and make sure this icon looks like this and not like this. If it is like this, click on it again and you should be seeing an icon similar to this one. So once this is done, go to enhancements and check this box, disable all enhancements and click on apply. So this was all. I hope that you got the sound back. If this video helped you, please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.